Okay, hi, I'm Sungjunan, and this is the case 4, and now let's start it. Okay, I have the problem 25, the test, and this is the class of n students takes a test consisting of m questions. So I have to solve this problem, and now let's get ready for this fun. Okay, here we go. So the A. So I some organize the case A here. So let's see. There are n number of students and take a test consists of m questions. So there are n and m, and there are given information here. So the gardener randomly picks one answer and they call it I, j. And here I is student ID number and small I equal 1 to 3 to m. And here j is the question number and small j is 1 to 3 to m. And here the big information. All possible values of ij are equally likely. So what does it mean? Look at here. The gardener random picks one answer. And this is the all possible values of ij are equally. So probability is equal. So the A says find joint marginal PMFs of I, j. So let's see. Here, the joint PMF can be given by Pi, j of small ij, and this is the joint PMF, we can call it. So let's look at it. So 1 over sum k1 to n mk, and this is mean all possible values of ij are equal. So the summit or is 1, and that if j must smaller than m, because look at here, j is question number and this is 1 to 3 to m, so j must smaller than m, and otherwise probability is 0. Okay, so this is the joint PMF, and we can use this joint PMF and make the marginal PMF of I and j. So let's look at the marginal PMF of I. So Pi of small I is equal sum small j equal 1 to m Pi, j of small I, j, and this is the marginal PMF, and it means sum or the Pi, j of small ij and substitute the j equal 1 to m. So the j is here, so substitute the 1, 2, and 2m, and we can organize this result like here, mi over some k1 to n and mk, and this is the marginal PMF of I, and the small I is 1 to 3 to n. Okay, and next is marginal PMF of j, and we can write here pj of small j, and is sum small I1 to n Pi, j of small ij, and it means the sum or this Pi, j of small ij, and substitute the here small I1 to n here, and the result or sum it is right here, nj over some k1 to n mk, and so this is the marginal PMF of j, and the small j is 1 to 3 to m. And next is calculate the expected value of the score of student I. And the kids, we can see the information. The given information is property question J is correct given I equal small I, and I set this property ij, and the get a A point if correct, and otherwise is get B point. So we can expected value of the student I on J is A Pij plus B 1 minus Pij, because the get A point if correct and otherwise is B point, so 1 minus Pij multiply B. So we should calculate the score of student I. So EI is equal and sum J1 to MI, and the equation is like here. So we can substitute in J1 to MI, so we can calculate the expected value of score of student I. So the case for is AND. Thank you.